Yeah, we can mention that.
Yes.
Item 20, the other side has filed a counter, my lord. This is that suspension matter, my lord. Lordship has fixed it for today. They have filed a counter last Saturday. I'm just requesting that can be brought on record, my lord. I will hand over the request letters.
My lord, in this regard, my lord, in this case, my lord, I have to make one submission, my lord. On Saturday, my lord, although I have filed one affidavit, my lord, but there was some actually mistake regarding inadvertently some wrong facts has been incorporated, and one annexer was left out to be, my lord, annexed. So may I pray, my lord, to give one liberty to file a fresh, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord, I'll file a fresh, my lord, affidavit there. Item 21.
I think 20. Item 20.
20.
Yes. It's item 20.
21.
Dr. Atul Bora, no?
Yes.
20.
21. 21.
Sorry, Atul Bora 21.
there.
Atul Bora 21.
21.
Why have you filed such kind of affidavit?
Well, what had happened, my lord, at the time of filing regarding the one annexer, my lord, that development, my lord, got to come today only, my lord, regarding extension of the suspension period further, my lord. That meeting was held on 19th, on the date of filing of this affidavit, my lord. That is one thing, my lord. Another thing is, my lord, regarding annexer 1, my lord, I have mistakenly annexed that that annexer in the wrong, my lord, facts, my lord. The facts what I have submitted, my lord. For that, my lord, that annexer actually not supported by, should not be supported, my lord.
So you file additional affidavit then?
No, my lord, additional affidavit will not cover, because in that earlier affidavit, my lord, the facts become some wrong facts.
Where is the provision for withdrawing your affidavit like that once you file?
No, my lord, I was supposed to make a submission for leave of this honorable court, my lord, to granting me leave to file another, my lord.
Oh, what do you want exactly? Tell me.
I want to file a fresh, my lord,
First affidavit. What will happen to the affidavit you filed?
That has to be, my lord, by this order of this honorable court, my lord, has to be withdrawn, my lord. I have to seek a leave before this honorable court.
My lord, let the affidavit be here, my lord. Let it be here. Lordship may, because I have received the affidavit. What my learned friend is saying, 17th he has filed an affidavit. 19th there is a subsequent development. There is a third review. So which is very well, my lord. I'm not, because he has to file an affidavit as
Fine,
court.
let it come.
Or let this better be come, my lord. I'll explain.
Let it come. We'll see.
I'll explain.
As and when it comes. All right.
Item number 25 for today's list, my lord. My lord, director higher education file an affidavit, my lord. I want to file reply, my lord. It is
How much time?
folks time may be allowed for
As
this.
paid for by Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. 4 weeks time is granted for filing rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit filed by the director higher education.
My lord.
Yes.
May I please, my lord, I beg to mention one admission for listing on Friday morning. On admission.
What matter? Motion.
Admission.
Admission matter, you approach the registry. All right. Yes, next.
Like to mention item 28 of today's list, Your Lordship.
28, yes.
Taken the consent of the standing council of the respondent authorities.
Hmm.
I beg the matter may be adjourned for the day. And maybe
Why do you want adjournment?
this matter, I have a medical appointment.
You're for the?
I am for the petitioner.
Okay, as paid for by the learned counsel for the petition, the matter stands adjourned for the day.
To come after 2 weeks.
So will you set again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry?
Obligation.
Lordship,
28.
item number 18 and 19 of part 2 hearing, Lordship.
Is there any part 2 hearing?
Yes, Lordship. And Lordship.
Where's the part 2 hearing? I have not seen any part 2 hearing.
But they are like,
But the list is not there with me. List is not with me. How do we know? Which item you said?
18 and 19, Lordship.
What do you want?
Lordship, I will let this matter come on coming Thursday as daily list, Lordship, because there is some urgency, Lordship.
No, it's already in the hearing list, isn't it?
But there is some urgency, Lordship, part 2 hearing list, so it may not reach, Lordship, this week. So I am praying for listing this on daily list on hearing column. Lordship.
The hearing list is for what period? How long?
It is up to 31st of August, I think. Lordship.
31st of August.
Yes,
It's
Lordship.
a monthly hearing list of one
2 months, Lordship.
for 2 months.
Up to 29th of August, Lordship.
Why don't you approach the registry for listing it?
For listing, Lordship.
Yes.
Without a since it is listed in the part 2 hearing list, Lordship, without a judicial order, it not come on daily list. Lordship.
Let's see. I don't have the hearing list with me, so we'll see. Just have a look. How many items are there?
19 items.
19. And you are mentioning for which item?
18 and 19 Lordship.
What is the urgency?
They are working in Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, Lordship. They are claiming salary at the ROP prescribed rate. Lordship. There is a process of merging of Assam Higher Secondary Education Council and Secondary Education Board is going on, Lordship.
See, thing is that without getting it listed in the part 1 list, see, this is for 2 months, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
So we can take it up on the hearing date. Is there any problem?
Lordship, after completion of the daily list, it may not reach, that's why, Lordship.
No, even if it's the daily list, it'll come up in the hearing column only.
Yes, Lordship.
Daily list hearing column.
Yes, yes.
So we call it up on Thursday if you
Yeah.
want it.
Yes, yes.
No, why should we get it listed in the part 1 list? Is it required? Because it's already there in the hearing list.
Yes, Lordship.
No order is required.
Or if on Thursday, Lordship, you will, after completion of the hearing daily list, Lordship, it may not reach, that's why, Lordship.
It may not reach means?
Because after completion of the daily list, only part 2 hearing list will be taken up, Lordship.
What is your name?
AD Chaudhary, Lordship.
As paid for by Mr. A.D. Chaudhary. So this hearing list is not supposed to be called out on hearing dates. It's not called out. How is that?
अपनी अपग्रेडेशन और लॉस ना होता अपने की बेस अपग्रेड को यूज इतना
How do I pass?
ये खत्म हो जाए फिर एक मैटर को कॉल कर दो निकल अपग्रेडेशन कर दो नोबा ये फिर ना अपन हियरिंग डेट ना अपन अपग्रेड कोर्स और अपने मेंशन कर दीजिए ताकि
On coming Thursday, Lordship.
Thursday.
Yes, Lordship.
Coming Thursday is which date?
24th.
Hmm. How many matters are there to vote? There are 18 cases. Twenty-fourth will not be possible. There are so many cases already.
It's 31st of August,
Hmm.
31st of July.
Twenty-nine is possible, Tuesday. 29 is a hearing date.
29th.
Oh, hearing day too. Only cook now.
29th. Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Please write like this. Mr. A.D. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that there is urgency in the matter and praise that item number 18 and 19 of the hearing list
No.
dated 14 July to 29 August 2025 be taken up.
My God, mention होते आधे घंटा दूसरी
On any hearing date within this month. Full stop. As paid for. List. Item number 18 and 19 of the hearing list. In the part 1 list on 29th of July 2025.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, item 29, which I just mentioned, interim order to continue, Your Lordship.
Why are you mentioning in parts?
Sorry, Your Lordship, I just,
You mentioned which item?
28.
Item 28, interim order passed ahead to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May it be pleases your lordship. Taking concern of the other side, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 22.
Where is he? Is he still here? Mr. Counsel. See, why don't you give a mention memo? A mention memo for that case.
Mention memo kon loi di diyo.
Yes, sir.
Because the file is not here. Okay,
I'll give them.
so unless we have the file, we cannot pass the order also.
After Sunday, I'm giving them.
Okay.
May it be pleases your lordship. Pertaining to item number 22, your lordship, I have taken concern of the other side, your lordship. Kindly adjourn this matter, your lordship, for today and list this matter after 3 weeks, your lordship.
22.
22.
Why do you want adjournment?
Your lordship, there is some additional instruction has been received yesterday, your lordship, for which your lordship, we have to go through the earlier ones and the present one, your lordship. So your lordship, kindly grant us 3 weeks time. Your
Instruction
lordship.
means, are you filing any affidavit?
Yes, your lordship, we'll be filing, your lordship.
How much time? 2
3
weeks?
weeks time.
3 weeks time. Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel, secondary education,
Yes, sir.
submits that she has received the instructions, therefore
22.
praise that she may be given 3 weeks time to file contract with it. Praise the Lord. This
I'm deeply obliged.
again after 3 weeks
I'm deeply obliged.
on a date to be fixed by the minister.
May please lordship. My lord, I beg to mention for listing, my lord, for withdrawal, my lord, on 23rd, my lord.
Yeah.
Obliged. May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item 24, lordship. Matter became infected in the contempt matter complied.
Your good name?
J.H. Laskar.
Mr. J.H. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that the order of this court has been complied with. And therefore, the contempt petition has become infructuous. Anyone appearing?
Yes, I'm preparing for one.
Mr. P. Nayak, learned counsel, appears for respondent number 1 and agrees to the submission. Next, in view of above, contempt petition stands closed.
Okay.
Yes.
May I have his lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 17, lordship.
17.
Lordship. But in this case, we file additional affidavit, lordship. So 2 weeks time may be given, lordship.
Additional affidavit, you're for the petitioner.
Yes, lordship.
Why do you want to have a file additional affidavit?
Lordship, actually, there is a case, CR case is going on in the lower court, lordship. Between the petitioner and respondent 5, lordship.
What is going on?
One CR case, so lordship, in lower court, lordship.
Ah,
So in this case, in that case, lordship, some deposition of the private respondent will file, lordship. Through additional affidavit, lordship.
who's for the opposite party?
I'm for respondent 5.
Okay,
So I'm appearing on behalf of RV for BTC.
any objection to the prayer? As paid for by the learned counsel for the petitioner. 2 weeks time is granted for filing additional affidavit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
May I plead your lordship?
Yes.
With the consent of the other side, I'd like to mention item 13 to 16 of today's list.
13, 16.
I, on behalf of the respondent, private respondent lordship, there is the interim order lordship since 2023, they have taken the interim order lordship. The matter and the duty the interim order lordship, my appointment has been restrained also. So there is some urgency lordship.
Yes, why do you want time?
Lordship counsel for the petitioner S. Borpatra Gohai is on medical leave. She is undergoing laser treatment and will have a surgery.
Who?
S. Borpatra Gohai. Mrs. S. Borpatra.
Yes, Borpatra Gohain.
Lordship.
What about RC Borpatra Gohain?
He is out of station, lordship.
Then you, Sharma? Somebody should appear. How much time do you want?
2 weeks, lordship.
2 weeks time. No further adjournment.
No.
No for further appointment.
Okay. Who is unwell?
S. Borpatra.
Okay. Mrs. S. Borpatra Gohain, learned counsel for the petitioner, is said to be indisposed. And therefore adjournment is being prayed for on our behalf. Your good name?
DC Nath.
Mr. D.C. Nath, learned counsel for the private respondent.
Lordship.
On the other hand, submits that there is urgency.
13 and 16.
Huh?
Only 13 and 16 lordship, I on behalf of the other. two
Submits
cases
that
for private
there is some urgency in the matter. Since there is an interim order operating against the private respondent. So in view of above, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. With an understanding that no further adjournment prayer shall be made by the petitioner. Stop.
Lordship,
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Lordship, that may be fixed, lordship.
The case shall now be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Okay, next.
Lordship, that may be fixed.
They will fix a date. Registry will fix a date. I've directed. Okay, so that we don't bunch up all the cases in one day. They'll do it. Yes,
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of I civil in WPC 3701 of 2022 tomorrow.
what is the ISC?
Yes, your lordship.
What is it about?
Your lordship, the respondent is illegally trying to, lordship, to dismantle the factory shed of a petitioner, your lordship.
You approach the registry. They'll get it listed to you. Yes, call.
May I please the lordship, my lord, I beg to mention item number 11, my lord. I am appearing for the Health and Family Welfare Department, my lord. The issue is regarding payment of the pensionary benefits to the petitioner, my lord. So that is under process, my lord. So I pray for some time, my lord.
How much time?
My lord, 4 weeks time, my lord.
Health,
Not 4 weeks, that's exact. Early date may be gained.
health department.
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner is a retired principal, Lordship. 2022, he is retired.
DP Bora learned counsel for the petition, respondent, health department submits that he may be given 4 weeks' time to obtain instructions in the matter. So, however, Mr. S.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, expresses urgency in the matter. In view of above, 3 weeks' time is granted.
Date may fix also. Otherwise,
Registry shall list the matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. Okay.
Publish, my lord.
publish.
Daily list item 1 and 2.
May I please, your lordship?
Issue notice.
Lordship, in this matter, lordship, what has happened is the lordship, we are,
Issue notice on 1912.
no. Notice has not been issued. My lord, what has happened is that lordship, we are aggrieved by the continuous interference in the of the state authorities in the management, control and functioning of our education institution.
Of
Of our educational institution. Lordship, we are a minority linguistic education institution enjoying the protection of Article 30 of the Constitution. So, Lordship, what has happened is that, Lordship, we were provincialized in the year 1977. And thereafter, Lordship, Section 5 of the 77 Act was challenged before His Honorable High Court. His Honorable High Court upheld the validity of Section 5 and Rule 4, saying that the management structure was not, due to the management structure, there was no violation of Article 30. Thereafter, Lordship, we went to the Supreme Court and the Honorable Supreme Court upheld that Section 5 is in fact ultra vires the Constitution. Thereafter, Lordship, we were appointing headmasters and the state government was continuously approving the appointments. But Lordship, lately what is happening is that we have appointed headmaster, but the state government is not approving the appointment.
no notice has not been issued.
No, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, a void order dated 19/4/24. An attempt was made to, Lordship, to adjudicate the matter in the motion stage itself. Because, Lordship, it's already a settled issue.
19/4.
Yes, Lordship. 19/4/24, Lordship.
Yes, Ms. P. Das.
Your lordship, because it took time, your lordship, to file one affidavit, your lordship. So your lordship, that affidavit has not been filed, your lordship. So kindly instruction, your lordship.
1 year back, why is not filed till now?
Instruction although received, your lordship, kindly grant us 2 weeks' time, your lordship, to file this affidavit, your lordship.
Okay.
My
Issue notice.
I'm praying for a interim.
No, your lordship,
It's
kindly.
been almost a year.
Kindly affidavit may be filed, your lordship, your lordship.
lord, it's
Pertaining to
almost a
that,
year
your
that-
lordship,
This petition is pending in the motion stage itself, my lord. May consider, my lord, my
Your
interim.
lordship, let the affidavit may file, your lordship. I am just seeking for 2 weeks' time, your lordship.
We'll issue notice
Yes, your lordship.
and fix after 2 days, after 2 weeks
Yes.
for final disposal.
Notice me go, your lordship.
Your good name?
S. Mitra, lordship.
S.
Mitra.
Heard S. Mr. S. Mitra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice of motion returnable by 2 weeks. Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel, Higher Education Department, accepts notice for
So,
respondent numbers
respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4 for secondary education.
1 to 4. You have extra copies?
No, your lordship, only 1 copy is there, your lordship.
Petitioner to furnish extra copies of the writ petition.
Soft
Good,
copy.
yes.
to Ms. P. Das.
Soft copy to delay, mane local
Ms. P. Das further submits that she has received the instructions and she'll be able to file the counter affidavit within 2 weeks. So petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5
My lord.
by registered post with ADD within 3 days. This is the matter again, after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Official respondents to file counter affidavit on or before the next week.
I'm deeply obliged.
Lordship, item number 2 is also similar.
Similar, that matter, that,
One order will cover or separate order?
yes, your lordship, one order
Notice
will
has to go
cover,
to respondent number 4.
just rest.
Sorry,
Lordship, one notice has to go to the respondent number 5,
Number
Lordship.
5.
That is the
Five.
managing committee.
Private. Private respondents were there, your lordship.
that's one of 5.
Yes, Lord.
So I think same order will be.
Six.
No, Lordship, here in the other matter, managing committee is not a party. He is a petitioner, Lordship.
6 to 4, private.
6 is also there.
Yes.
Lordship, in item number 2, 6 is there. So 5 and 6, I mean 5 and 6, Lordship, both steps have to be taken.
Similar order separately.
Similar.
Only additionally, you'll say that petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 and 6. Rest are same.
Obliged, Lordship.
I'm deeply obliged.
Item 3.
Wait, please.
Yes.
My lord, this matter is pertaining to reservation of physically disabled person. My lord, they are supposed to place the instruction, my lord, on last occasion, my lord. The APSC council submitted that at least for next 4 weeks, there will be no. Kindly pay me the order dated 25/6, my lord. 1 month waiting, the communication, my lord, they took time. Here, my lord, the education department, they instructed the APSC to incorporate 4% reservation in the appointment, my lord. And that is pending, my lord, for instruction.
My lord, regarding that, the Secretary of Education Department has written to the Secretary of Assam Public Service Commission regarding the provision of 4% of person with disabilities, my lord.
Then?
And this is my letter, and the letter is still pending, my lord. It is sent on 15/7/2025, my lord. This is my letter. Yeah.
So what is to be done now? 15/7.
Lordship, the day before yesterday, on Saturday, Lordship, APSC had received one communication from the government. Lordship, video conference. So as per that letter, AP is requested to give 4% reservation for deaf and hard of hearing category letter. But there is no specific instruction as to 4% on the total cadre strength or on the advertisement vacancy. If the APSC is to give 4% effect on the advertised vacancy, against 7 posts, there would be no PWD reservation. So APSC is now contemplating to write a letter, clarificatory letter, so whether that 4% under which category and under which roster point. Bhog letter was sent to the APSC by the department.
My lord.
On the basis of that, Lordship, no reservation can be given to PWD. The actual spirit of the PWD Act would be frustrated if this letter is being issued by the department to the APSC.
My lord, kindly come to the subject, my lord, regarding the
Go ahead,
provision.
Everything is okay, but the 4% on the advertised vacancy.
My
there
lord,
is
may I
7
submit
that
one
I
thing?
think.
Ma'am?
Only 7.
May I submit one thing, madam?
Yes.
My case is, my lord, we have annexed the advertisement of the APSC since 2017. Since 2017
How
to
many?
till date, my lord, 34 posts were advertised. Out of these 34 posts, not a single post has been reserved for the physically disabled. Out of, my lord, 4% of 34 posts comes to 1.36, my lord.
What is the post? What is the post?
Yes, my lord, post is, my lord,
Name of the post?
Inspector of Schools, District Elementary Education Officer, oblique, Deputy Director under Assam Education Service. This is the post, my lord.
Okay,
Advertisement is at,
71.
yes, my lord, 71. That impin order, impin advertisement.
How many vacancies are there? How many posts are there?
7, my lord. But
So according to you, there's no PWD cadre.
no, they said that
post reserved for PWBD
Nil.
towards end of that box, my lord, nil. And kindly come to advertisement at annexure 8, page 53, my lord.
What is PWBD?
Person with physically
No,
disability.
person with
PD.
benchmark disability.
Benchmark disability.
Benchmark disability.
Benchmark disability.
So is the same thing? Is it same thing?
Same thing.
Acha. So what is to be done now?
Lordship, my instruction, APSC is again writing a letter to the department for clarifying all the position, number of cadre strength, number of 4% to be applied to the on which roster appoint, and how many candidates already been appointed under that PWBD category.
Pending such instruction, you're not intending to fill up
Yes.
selection?
We will not fill up. We will not fill up. We will not advertise any notify any date of examination.
Can I record that
Yes, Lordship can record.
parties are represented by the respective councils? Mr. P.P. Datta, Learned Standing Council, APSC submits that although the Education Department has written a letter to the APSC for reservation for PWD candidates. In the selection for posts advertised on 13/2/2025 bracket annexure 12 comma. Further clarification from the state government in the school education department is required, and for which the APSC is contemplating to seek the clarification. To stop, the Learned Council submits that pending such clarification, the process of selection will not be made. In view of above, how much time should we give you?
After 4 weeks, Lordship.
4 weeks.
Lordship. We will issue within 2 or 3 days, Lordship. Thereafter, government has to respond. Madam, please, after 4 weeks, Lordship.
In view of above, matter stands adjourned for 4 weeks.
On 11 August, my lord.
You want a date also? Give a date.
Lordship.
List again on 26/8.
Deeply obliged.
Item 4.
Here, my lord, I need some time, my lord, department is seeking detailed report from the district concerned, my lord, regarding the petitioner.
Earlier 2 occasions, my lord, also.
What is this matter regarding?
My lord, regarding my lord, termination in
Department of
disciplinary
School
proceeding.
Education, my lord. His termination was made by the mission director, my lord. He has filed an appeal before the secretary to the Gupta Person Department of School Education.
Statutory
Now,
appeal is
my lord-
pending. Statutory appeal is pending. That was to be disposed of. That is the prayer, my lord.
Appeal is pending.
Yes, my lord. That is the only prayer for disposal.
Appeal against what?
Appeal against my lord, termination from service.
You have been terminated?
Yes.
That too, my lord, appointment was contractual, my lord.
Whatever it may be,
My lord, I need
Uh,
some time, my lord.
appeal is still pending.
Yes. my lord.
Why don't you consider the same and dispose it off?
My lord, the department seeking detailed report from the concerned district, my lord. So
For what
I'm-
purpose?
regarding his, my lord, termination by the district,
No, detailed report for what? To do what?
to verify, my lord. To
Verify
verify, to pass the appropriate order in the
in the appeal.
my lord.
How much time should you take to dispose of the appeal?
I thought 3 weeks time may be granted, my lord.
Shall we dispose it of then?
Yes, sir. 90 days. You are just.
Shall we dispose of the writ petition by directing it to consider and dispose of the appeal within a time frame?
My lord, may I pray, my lord, that pending this petition, it may be, my lord, pending the petition, my lord, that may be, my lord, disposed, because 90 days is the statutory period, my lord. I have filed on 18/11, in November, my lord, 24.
No, I'm telling you, that can we dispose of this writ petition itself by directing them to consider and dispose of your appeal within a time frame? What is the point of keeping it this pending, this
My
matter?
lord, a last chance may be given, my lord. It is better if it is.
This is for your benefit. What do you mean last chance?
If we are
Let them consider and dispose it of. Where's the appeal? Page number?
My lord, appeal is page number 55, my lord.
55.
55.
Appeal filed before whom?
Before the secretary, my lord. School Education Department.
What do you say? Shall we dispose it of?
My lord, I have no question.
Heard, Mr.
M.J. Kadir.
M.J. Kadir, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. P.K. Bora,
My lord,
Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, for respondent numbers
1, 2, and 5, my lord.
1, 2, and 5.
Lordship, 4, 6, and 7, Lordship, I'm declaring.
Well,
Sorry, assessing.
Comma, Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for respondent numbers 4, 6, and
Yeah.
8.
No,
Eight.
8.
4, 6, and
7.
or 4, 6, and 7. And oh, 3. Mr. B. Diori for respondent number 3. Stop having regard to the nature of grievance projected by the petitioner. The writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage. Stop. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged order dated 28/8/2024, passed by the mission director, SSA, whereby
Lordship comes to page 16, Lordship. That is the point. He has not challenged that termination order. He only praying for an order, Lordship, that the appeal be decided within the stipulated period of time.
what did I say?
15.
What did I say?
Yes, 16.
Okay. The petitioner has challenged from there you cut. Has sought for disposal of his appeal filed under section 15 of the Assam Service, open bracket, discipline and appeal, close bracket, rules 1964. Before the
Secretary, my lord. Secretary, my lord, School Education, page number 55.
Secretary to the Government of Assam.
Department of School Education.
Secretary is for what? Education Department.
School Education. Department of School Education.
Then who have you made arrayed as a respondent here? Just see your post title. Secretary, Commissioner, Elementary
Yes,
Education.
number 1, my lord.
This is a wrong nomenclature. Do you have a secretary specifically for elementary education?
My lord, Department of School Education,
Now
not
it
for
is-
elementary education.
Now it is, my lord, he is elementary education. The designation is now changed, my lord, but he is elementary education, the same person. my lord.
No, secretary of what? Elementary education?
No, my lord, Department of School Education. Secretary, Department of School.
Then there'll be a secretary for higher education also,
My lord.
separately.
Yes.
If there is a secretary for elementary education, there will be a secretary for higher education also.
Now, my lord, I think the
How many secretaries are there?
My
department
lord,
will-
only Secretary, Department of School Education look after all this department, my lord, secondary, elementary, all.
Please read what did I say?
Under Secretary.
Department of School Education. When did you file the appeal?
Well, on 18/11/2024.
Where's the date?
My lord, page number 55, my lord. Below, my lord.
What is the format for filing appeal under section 15?
15, my lord, there is no.
Format is like a writ petition.
There is no specific format is there, my lord.
You made it like a writ petition.
If lordship comes to page 26, lordship,
Hmm.
page 26.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly see, this is the contract dated 1st of July 2020. This was between SSA and the petitioner.
Hmm.
If lordship comes to page 28. Page 28, lordship may kindly come to paragraph 14, second paragraph. The senior most secretary to the government of Assam Elementary Education Department will be the appellate authority for any matters related to the termination issue.
Hmm.
So one termination was issued, lordship, on 28/24, that is at page 53. Against this order, he filed this appeal before the authority as prescribed in paragraph 14. So my submission would be, lordship, so far as SSS contractual employees are concerned, Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules do not apply as such, although we follow the principle. So accordingly, this appellate authority is not in terms of Rule 15 of the Assam Services and Discipline and Appeal Rules. This is following paragraph 14 of the contract.
Hmm. SSA.
SSA.
Appointment under SSA. This is
Appointment
on,
of the SSA.
this is on,
Termination was also by the SSA.
this is on contract basis.
Yes, but in the contract, there is a provision, if the person is terminated, then the Secretary Elementary Education will be the appellate authority. So this appellate authority, lordship, this provision comes from the contract itself, not from the discipline and service rule, discipline and appeal rules, lordship. So let the authority decide this appeal within a stipulated period.
How they will decide if appeal does not lie under section 15?
As per the
So
agreement.
this is not, this is, I mean, wrong drafting, lordship.
That's why should we pass an order like that though?
My lord, there is a memorandum of charges, my lord. The proceeding is followed, my lord. Proceeding is followed. I was given the charge, my lord. I was heard, my lord. Everything is followed, my lord. After following the proceeding, my lord, the order is passed. And accordingly, I have filed the appeal, my lord. Let the appeal may be decided either on merit or on, my lord, maintainability, my lord. The authority can pass, my lord, any order, my lord.
You don't dispute this agreement, do you? Page 26, 27.
No, my lord, this agreement is admitted by them, and in the order, my lord, this agreement is, my lord, terminated, my lord, in the mentioned, my lord.
Agreement is admitted by them. It cannot be. It gets to be admitted by both sides.
Yes, my both sides.
You also admit that you are appointed like that.
Yes, my lord, page number 53, my lord.
Now, in case of your termination,
Yes.
this clause 14 says that your appeal may lie to the secretary.
Yes. It is filed to the secretary, my
Then
lord.
you have filed under 15.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
Page number 53, my lord, for a moment. Page number 53.
Where is your termination?
Termination, my lord. This is page number 53.
Aspera.
What did I say last? Before means filed before, huh? Filed before the secretary to the government of Assam, Department of School Education. Stop. According to the petitioner, his contractual agreement dated 1/7/2020 was terminated, and he was released from the post of assistant teacher of 286 number Chalita Kandi LP School under Udharbon Education Block of Kachar District. Next para, Mr. P. Nayak, learned counsel for the respondent SSA, submits that the petitioner's appointment and termination is governed by the agreement made between the parties on
First one,
it
7,
on 1/7/2020. Stop referring to clause number 14 of the said agreement. The learned counsel submits that in case of termination from service, the appeal can be preferred before the senior most secretary to the government of Assam Elementary Education Department.
So that is one, lordship. Second submission, lordship, that Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules is not followed for the contractual employees under SSA, lordship, as such. We follow the principles.
Further, under the SSA, the Assam Services open bracket Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964 is not being followed.
That is why, lordship, I'm submitting the maintainability of the appeal file under rule 15, lordship. That is one. But at the same time, lordship, I am also submitting, let the authority decide this appeal, deciding both the issues, lordship. Maintainability as well as the merit of the termination.
Next para, considering the submissions made by the parties, with petition is disposed of by directing the secretary to the government of Assam School Education Department to consider the appeal filed by the petitioner, both on maintainability as well as on its merit, within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. The petitioner shall furnish the secretary to the Government of Assam's School Education Department a copy of the writ petition along with the certified copy of this order for the needful. The petition stands disposed of.
I please, your lordship. My lord, petitioner before your lordship, he appeared in the last HSLC examination held in February 2025. And my lord, he obtained distinction mark. Out of 600, he obtained 554 marks, 554 marks. My lord, your lordship, kindly, in Assamese subject, my lord, out of 100, he got, my lord, 93 marks, maths 96 marks, general science 98 marks, social science 97 marks, advanced mathematics 98 marks. But my lord, in English subject, he, my lord, got only, my lord, 72 marks. My lord, since the 4 marks he has obtained in the English subject, he, my lord, applied for the answer script. He has been supplied the answer script, my lord.
What is the examination? Metric examination?
My lord, HSLC, my lord.
HSLC.
HSLC.
You are seeking for revaluation or rechecking?
My lord, checking, my lord. My lord, what happened?
Checking. What is the subject?
English subject, my lord.
Only English?
Only English, my lord. English subject, my lord. In English subject, my lord, there is 3 parts. Objective type question, 45 marks, I have no grievance. Descriptive type question, 45 marks, I have objection. My lord, and internal assessment mark 10. My lord, we have got rightly, my lord. But descriptive types of question, 45 marks, my lord. My lord, some questions, my lord, correct question has been cut down, my lord. My lord, after getting, my lord, answer script, my lord, very unfortunate, my lord, grammatical part, and my lord, suppose, my lord, essay writing, my lord, for example, my lord, essay writing 5 marks. I have correctly write, my lord, point to us, I have no spelling mistake on the essay writing, my lord. That essay writing 5 marks cut down, only 0 marks there. 2, my lord, grammatical mistake, my lord, correct, my lord. Very much correct, my lord.
So
But,
have you applied for rechecking, reevaluation?
rechecking, my lord, I have applied, my lord.
Then what happens?
My lord, I have filed an application, page 50. My lord, no action, my lord. My lord,
Page 15?
Page 51, 50.
50.
50. Last page, my lord, annexure 6. My lord, those are the questions in NB, my lord.
When did you file this?
My lord, I have filed in on 26/5.
May.
My lord.
26 May.
26 May, my lord.
Is there any provision under the rules for reevaluation or rechecking?
My lord, I am not confirmed, my lord. Maybe, my lord, since my lord answer script has been supplied to me, my lord, there is some provision also, my lord. I
Okay,
think,
who is for the ACB? You are there?
Their name is not shown, madam. Perhaps copy has not been served.
They have a standing council,
My, please appear.
Assam State School Education Board.
my lord, I have given the copy, my lord. As per my information, my lord, copy given. My lord, only, my lord, my humble submission before your lordship, since he is a brilliant student, my lord. My lord, marks is not, my lord, he is shocked and surprised, my lord.
No, that is why we're trying to find out what is to be done.
My lord.
Standing council will have to tell us, or you have to tell us also whether there's any provision as per the rules and guidelines that papers can be checked.
My lord, I am not aware very much, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Then on what basis you are asking if you're not aware?
My lord, since, my lord, my answer script has been, my lord, supplied on our application, my lord, application on due consideration, answer script, my lord, I have annexed, my lord. My lord, maybe, my lord, there is some provision, my lord, for rechecking, my lord. My lord, such a mistake, my lord. And on the other hand, my lord, your lordship, I have to point out, my lord. My lord, in description part, I have got 21 marks. Your lordship, kindly page number, very interesting, my lord.
Oh,
Page
see,
34, my lord.
we're not here to check your paper. Only question is whether checking of paper can be done or not. If no, matter ends there. If yes, under what provision and on what ground?
My lord,
For that, we have to know, you don't know that also You have not sought instruction.
My lord, instruction may be sought for from the, my lord, board, my lord.
We'll list it again with the standing council's name on Friday.
On Wednesday, my lord, that is
Why?
urgency, my lord.
What urgency?
My lord, he is suffering from, my lord, anxiety, anxiety, my lord.
Huh?
On,
Suffering from what?
my lord, anxiety, my lord, since he has been
Anxiety.
4 mark has been, my lord, given out of beyond, my lord, imagination, my lord. On Wednesday, my lord. My lord, may I point out one thing, my lord. Page 34, my lord. My lord, here in this, my lord, I have got 21 marks in description part. My lord, in the mark sheet, my lord, I have given 33 marks, 23 marks, my lord. 2 marks, my lord, additionally given, my lord. I do not understand, my lord. What checking has been done, my lord? What, my lord, evaluation has been made in the answer script.
Please write down the presence of standing council, Assam State School Education Board will be necessary in the present case. Stop, since his name has not been shown. Since name has not been shown in the cost list, office to list this matter again on Wednesday, showing standing council ASSEB in the cost list.
On Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Obligement.
23/7.
May I please, your lordships? The speaking order is at page 89, lordships. Petitioners were engaged in Shikha Mitra Samjudi Shikha Kendra under SSA. Earlier, they also approached the court. This court directed to submit a press representation before the competent authority, the Secretary Education Department. Accordingly, they submitted representation, but in current speaking order, they require for minimum qualification. We have other qualification, but further qualification is regarding to pass TET. Page 89 is the imperial speaking order, lordships. Other states lordships already relaxed and directed to make a policy for those teachers lordships in West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram, and even lordships also passed judgment in this regard also, lordships. And similar cases notice has already been issued, lordships.
Now, what is your case?
My case is that relax the TET qualification, lordship.
Huh?
Other qualification we have, lordship. We have been engaged for 11 months under SSL lordship in different centers and serving there. Now that center has been shut down and our services have been terminated without following any procedure established by law, lordship.
You have come against your termination order.
Termination, lordships. Earlier we also approached this court, lordships. Thus representation disposed of by speaking order.
Where is the termination order?
Termination order, centers has been shut down, lordship. Automatic termination, lordship.
What is the order you're challenging here?
They are challenging, lordship, page 89 to relax the TET qualification, lordship. Kindly see page 89.
89, what is it about?
That, lordships, also number 2, number 3, lordship, in compliance with our course, High Court order is passed, so all the relevant documents submitted by the petitioners are scrutinized. The special TET conducted for contractor engaged from the time to time, presently working under various interventions, let's say Assam like Shiksha Karmi, Sandhi Shikha Karmi, community volunteer, educational volunteer, etc. was held on so and so date. A total number of so and so such candidates appeared in the special TET in 2021, out of which 670 candidates had qualified the special TET 2021. We ensure that quality of education is maintained at the highest standard through the engagement of qualified and trained teachers in the interest of quality education of the primary level teachers and the stipulations of qualifications as per Government of India's notification number so and so. Fixing the norms for qualification and training as per NCT norms. minimum qualification for person to be eligible for appointment as a teacher as follows. This petition, lordship, senior secondary, that 1, 2, 3, we fulfill, lordship. Regarding B, A, we have fulfilled. In respect of pass the teacher eligibility test, that I do not have. We pray to relax the same. Other states already been relaxed, lordship, and directed to make a policy decision for those teachers. And similarly situated.
So what is this writ petition mentioned here?
Mentioned the lordship to relax the prayer portion is, lordship, kindly see page.
Number of writ petitions have been mentioned here. The number of writ petitions have been mentioned here.
Lordship, my writ petition earlier was there, lordship, earlier writ petition, lordship, page 75. We are the petitioners. Relevant point to start from 83. Page 75. Earlier we approached this problem, Samanto Das, lordship. Present one is Samanto Das and others. And there was a directions, lordship, page 8 from page 84, second paragraph, lordships. And pursuant to this, is submitted representation and speaking order has been passed, lordship.
So what notice will go now?
Notice to go, lordship, similar person already approved this court by filing writ petition, lordship, this order. That nothing reflected in the facts of the case, lordship, but notice issued. And providing the number, lordships. Even speaking order not been mentioned in this order itself. But those are similar case, lordships.
You are Mr. F.U. Borbuya.
Lordships.
Mr. Naik, you're there?
Yes, Lordship.
Will issue
I'm appearing
notice?
for SSA. Lordship will
Will issue notice?
Notice.
Heard Mr. F.U. Borbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this petition, the petitioners have challenged the order dated
5/4/2024. Lordship, page 99, bottom will find date.
5/4/2024, passed by the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, by which the claim of the petitioners for appointment as LP school teacher / tutor / regularization of service by exempting teachers' eligibility test qualification has been rejected. Stop. Issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. P. Naik, learned.
Lordship, I'm
Planning
appearing,
counsel,
my pen is
FSA.
appearing for 1, 2, and 3. I'm for 4, Lord.
Access notice on behalf of respondent number 4. Well, Miss M. Buya. Learned. N. Phukan. Miss N. Phukan. Learned. Standing Council School Education Department accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3. Stop. Notice is therefore complete. Petitioner to furnish requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned council's appeal within 2 days. Missed again after 4 weeks.
List the case along with WBCLS of 5005, similar person.
We club it together.
Lordship.
Okay, one more sentence. List again after 4 weeks. Okay. Along with WPC number 5005 of 2024.
Lordship. 7.
Obliged.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Yeah.
My lord, before I proceed, I just make one submission.
Hmm.
My lord, there is a name of the caveator. So on Saturday, we have given notice and we have submitted copy. And they on Saturday, they informed us that they will take time on Monday. Now, he also today morning, he requested me that he will take time. My lord, though there was an urgency as regards the stay of the impugn order. But only I think, my lord, because I have to accommodate my friend in the profession. So, my lord, only my prayer is this: let this matter come on Wednesday because he has some problem today. So let no further action will be taken from today to Monday or Wednesday. That much will protection I need, because otherwise, in the pretext of taking adjournment for some other reason, they may pass some orders which will affect me.
Who's for the caveator?
He is for the.
My lord, I am not for the caveator, my lord. I am on behalf of Mr. Z. Sharma, my lord. Mr. Z. Sharma went to Golaghat for admission of his daughter, my lord. Today his counseling is going on, my lord.
My lord,
That is why, my lord, I have been requested to take time on his behalf. Matter may kindly be fixed on Wednesday, my lord.
My lord, just
Whatever
your lordship.
that may be possible.
No, my lord, not Wednesday, because in the pretext of taking this adjournment, they will pass different orders.
What is the matter?
Your lordship may look into page 16 first, annexure 1.
Yes.
May I read it slowly, my lord? In the exercise of power conferred under wide notification, the Guwahati, the 9 July 29 such and such, the undersigned as per provision of Rule 5 and 6, Assam Non-Government Management Amendment Rules 2009, as amended, the governing body in respect of Borkhetri College, situated in the district of Nalbari and affiliated by the Guwahati University, Guwahati, is hereby reconstituted with immediate effect. The term of the governing body would be permanent. The word is permanent. Only its member would be would have just not tenure, sorry, as laid down against each member shown below. The order has the approval of the government-wide letter dated 12th August 2021. Number A, President, Educationalist, as for terms of 5 years or before 5 years or before 5 years for reasons to be recorded in writing. So the term will be, I am concerned with that. I am Dr. Raman Talukdar. To be reasons to be recorded in writing, he shall, however, continue beyond this period till his successor is appointed. So the order was passed in 26 August 21. So 5 years is up to 26. Right hand side, your lordship will find my name is there. Dr. Raman Talukdar, Principal, Retired, Hajo College. So I was constituted under the act by the government for 5 years, and I can only be thrown out on a reasons recorded and giving opportunity of natural justice. Now my page 20, your lordship will find page 20. The first portion remains the same. The term of the governing body would be permanent. Only its member would have tenure as lays down. The order has approval of such and such. By replacing the existing president governing body of the college, Sri Raman Talukdar, president, the other person has been appointed. So, my lord, the law laid down by this court on this, in case of your lordship will find, B is secretary also. The court has held administrative decision has to go by natural justice, and itself the notification says that there should be some reasons for recorded. Here, nothing has been given, no opportunity, nothing, only just direct replacement. It is not a post for doctrine under the doctrine of pleasure. It is not on the post of a doctrine of pleasure. It is and reconstituted under the provision of law. And now, my lord, the administrative actions should go with the natural justice and the law laid down that for a term of 5 years or before 5 years for reasons to be recorded in writing. There is no reasons recorded in writing, no show cause, no natural justice, nothing is there. And just removal. And I made a statement, this order was passed on 1/7/25 and the meeting they constituted on 2/7/25. Only for replacing me, madam. And because the reason behind this, madam, the earlier secretary, who was the principal, has done some misappropriation of fund, and I made a complaint, and that particular secretary was removed at page 23. As a president, I have made a complaint that regarding the misappropriation of fund by the secretary. That is why that order was passed. The secretary was removed. And for my removal, no reasons, no show cause, nothing has been. And my lord, your lordship, this is judgment. My lord, your lordship may look into this judgment, my lord.
You are challenging the page 20.
Page 20, my lord.
20. This has already been reconstituted on 1st of July.
My lord, but this constitution, because if the order is bad in law, my lord, your lordship is as regards this, what is the state of affairs for this impugned order, your lordship, I have given a judgment. Your lordship may look into paragraph 11. Then, my lord.
No, Mr. Raj Chaudhary, see, in 2021, you were made the president
My lord,
of
for
the
5
governing,
years. For
governing body for 5 years.
5 years.
Then subsequently, some decision was taken and this order was passed.
My lord, what decision, what reasons, nothing is behind.
Okay, order is of 1st of July.
My lord.
Now, what has happened as on today?
My lord, because as on today,
You are still functioning as the president.
Say, your lordship may pass an order of status quo.
No, are you still functioning as a?
Say I am functioning because I have not handed over charge. I have not handed over charge. Your lordship may pass a status quo order. We will hear it again on Wednesday. Because this judgment, your lordship may look into paragraph 11, then paragraph 16 and 18. Paragraph 11. That was the removal of secretary. Paragraph 11. There also a caveat was there, and it was said that he has done a lot of, in that case, where the judgment has been given, he has done a lot of misappropriation of fund and others. But in my case, nothing. Paragraph 11, your lordship will find. Next, para 16.
We want it on Wednesday.
My lord, because my friend won on Wednesday, and till then, my lord, status quo as on today.
Please write down, although Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, the learned counsel who has filed the caveat is said to have from some personal difficulty today to appear before the court today, and that a prayer has been made that the case be listed again on Wednesday. Wednesday is 23/7. Next para, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the order dated 1/7/2025, by which he has been dislodged as the
Director of Education, Higher Education. Director of Higher Education.
No, you're dislodged as the president, is it?
My lord, my lord.
President of the
Borkhetri College,
governing body of Borkhetri College
District Nalbari.
in the district of Nalbari. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that no reason has been assigned prior to passing of such kind of order, and that the petitioner has not yet handed over charge till date. Stop. He also submits that if time is to be granted, status quo may be directed to be maintained till the next date. And stop considering the submissions made. List again on 23/7.
May I pray one thing, my lord? My lord, without discharging caveat, my lord, may I pray one thing, my lord? If the new incumbent, my lord, has not taken over discharge, then my lord, status quo.
My lord,
If
he is not in the case, the first submission made.
Yes, my lord.
That he is not in the case. He is making a submission.
I
Let
did
him-
not submit
let
anything,
him-
my lord. Let the matter be posted on Wednesday and discharge.
Status quo as on today, but status quo as on.
So, my lord, without discharging caveat, I am
No.
praying before.
Without
Honorable
discharging caveat, I'm agreeable to that. Without discharging the caveat, status quo as on today, that much.
How, my lord, the status quo, my lord? Without discharging or hearing, my lord.
Because, my lord, when from Saturday they know the matter is
Because, my
there.
lord, I am not
they could-
engaged in
No, my
problem,
lord, because from Saturday they knew the matter. They could have engaged for some other counsel. My lord, taking the, filing caveat and not attending the court, it does not suffice the issue of a caveat, my lord.
Mr. Chaudhary, have you made any statement of that effect
My lord, I have made a statement.
about not giving charge?
Hand over the call. Page 11, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord. It is also mentionable that where the petitioner has not handed over his charge as the president of GB of the State College.
Okay, list again on so and so. Status quo be maintained as on today till the next date.
My lord, obliged.
8 and 9 for impleadment.
May please, Your Worship. I civil 2173/2025 have been filed for impleading party malice.
Whom do you want to implead?
Implead Secretary to the Government of Assam, Welfare of Bodoland Department, and another is Zayan Nalikar, IAS Commissioner, come Secretary to the Government of Assam Finance Department. Kindly peruse the order dated, annex 2, page number 11, my lordship. The Honorable Court is directed to implead the party respondent. Page, relevant portion is page number 15 in I application.
Jatin Boro and
No, Jotin
Jayan
and Jayan Nailekar.
as respondent number.
Jatin Bora will be respondent number 3, Jayan Nailekar is respondent number
4.
Any objection?
No.
Heard Miss R. Begum, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks impleadment of Sri Jatin Bora, Secretary to the Government of Assam, Welfare of Bodoland Department, and Sri Jayant Narlikar, Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Finance Department, as respondent numbers 3 and 4 respectively. The learned counsel submits that impleadment of the two persons is required since they are the new incumbents holding their respective posts. Stop.
No, they are not new, my lord, because to implement the order, these are the persons who will have to act.
They are not new.
They are not new, my lord.
Then let's go to the contempt petition. Where's the order to be complied with?
Order dated 4/3/2020, page in contempt petition 50, public 21, page number 8, my lordship.
Initially, there was on the sole, there is sole respondent, my lord. Thereafter, Narayan Kaur with the education, Secretary Education was implemented.
Respondent number 2 has been directed in that case, isn't it?
Yes.
But here, who are the parties?
No, that is not there, my lord, because this copy is not a certified copy. This is the printout copy.
So how will you know?
That's it.
The party
Page
who
number,
was,
page number 8 is not clear, man. Only state of Assam and others.
the party who was not a respondent in the writ petition, can he be pleaded as a respondent in the contempt?
Because subsequently I have filed my affidavit, man. I have taken step for the respondent. So respondent has taken step that a process has to be done by the, since the finance is not a part of the, not a subject of the PTC, man. So it was communicated to the Board and Welfare Department to sanction that particular post, man. And they have to take the finance. That's why they have implemented the secretary to Board and Welfare Department as well as the finance department, secretary to finance.
So what is to be done?
My lordship, in IA application, page number 16 in contempt application, an order was passed.
Maybe order was passed. My question is that in the writ petition, who are the parties? Who were the parties? In the writ petition.
Lordship, writ petition next is the next writ petition. Next item number is the writ petition, my lord.
Is it so?
Yes.
Is already disposed?
Not disposed, my lord.
Not disposed.
No.
So alleged contempt is against interim order.
Interim order.
Huh?
Interim order.
(403).
Yes, 403. Against the interim order. Order dated 4/3/2020. Lords will get the area of parties in the writ petition page number 5.
They're not a party. Do you have any such kind of secretary? Welfare of Borderland Department.
This is the government of Assam, my lord. Regarding secretary with the welfare department, government of Assam, not in the BTC, my lord, because it looks after the welfare of the.
Oh, just see the prayer. He says that they want to implead secretary to the government of Assam. Welfare of Borderland Department. Is there a department like that?
Yes, ma'am.
There is.
There is a department.
Then number 2 is finance department. Now, both these respondents are not even a party in the writ petition.
The writ petition, they are not a party. Because
Then-
subsequently, because after my affidavit.
So how do you implead them in this?
My lordship, kindly peruse the order, the page number 15, my lordship. The order dated 3/3/2025, my lordship. The relevant portion is page number 15, order is 13. May I read, ma'am?
I don't think it's difficult, possible.
My lordship,
Specific order has been passed. Directing
Secretary of petition. Respond number 2.
IA is there? IA 3522. Hmm. In the IA, you had made an application for release of salary, isn't it? So court passed the direction. Then specific direction has been given to the respondent number 2 to do the needful. And respondent number 2 is secretary to the Secretary of Education, BTC.
BTC.
There is already a party.
Already a party. We have filed a affidavit. Since it involves finance, my lord. We have the finance is not a transfer service of BTC. So he has returned to the welfare department as well to release the amount to get a for post sanction. Thereafter, release the amount. That's why, my lord, that order was passed to include the secretary of the.
So question is, can you implead them like that?
My lord, there is an order of the court, my lord.
I have not come across any such kind of case where you implead somebody who was not originally a party.
Initially, that is not a party because
then
we should have been made a party because the Bodleian Welfare Department of State of Assam that was not a party initially. It is not. It's still pending. It's not a made party.
You filed the IA in the main writ petition. No, in the main writ petition, who are the party?
Area party lawsuit filed in page number 5 of the writ petition. Page 5.
What did I say? Is necessary. After necessary, you cut. I mean, As necessary for considering the connected contempt application. No, it's necessary for effective compliance of the course direction. Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel, appears for the respondent number.
And respondent number respondent one for in the contempt.
Respondent number, sole respondent.
So no, there is no sole my lord, was respondent number one
Respondent number 1
in the contempt petition.
and has no objection. Who is that respondent 1? Amar Jyoti Burman.
City Burma.
Respondent number 1 has no objection to the prayer. In view of above, Sri so and so, both names are hereby allowed to be impleaded as respondent numbers 3 and 4. I stands disposal. Then in contempt case 50 of 2021, in view of the order passed today, in ISC number 2173 of 2025, petitioner to submit the amended cost title in 2 sets before the registry of this court. Whereafter registry shall do the needful to stop issue notice to the newly impleaded respondent numbers 3 and 4, returnable by 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent numbers 3 and 4 by registered post with AD due within 3 days. List again after 4 weeks. Oh, no. This was 8 and 9, no? Just now? Yes.
Yes, my lord, so order dated 2/6/2025, the honorable court give a direction to file the affidavit to the opposite office.
Here sometime is required, my lord. Instruction is within my lord.
How much time?
2 weeks may be done, my lord.
How many responded?
For the response.
Sole respondent.
Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for the sole respondent, is given further 2 weeks' time to file show cause reply. As prayed for.
May it please your lordship. The matter pertains to subsistence allowance, your lordship. And in the last posted date, that is on 26/2025, your lordship. Your lordship passed an order to file additional affidavits. And that was filed on. 9 of July. Before that, your lordship, on the same day, your lordship passed the order for rectification of my previously filed additional affidavit where there is some procedural errors, and that petition additional affidavit was also filed on 9th of July 2025 at pace.
What is your case?
My case is for the subsistence allowance.
Which period? For which period?
Period from the date of passing the impugn order, your lordship.
Yes, tell me the date.
22/11/2023, Annexure 11 of the main petition, page 57, your lordship.
Two. Subsistence allowance from this date,
Your lordship.
22/12.
Yes, your lordship.
22/11, isn't it?
Yes, your lordship.
Up till which date?
No.
Yes.
Here.
Tell me. Your prayer is for release of subsistence allowance
Only for the subsistence allowance, your lordship.
from 22/11/23
22/11,
up
2020.
up to which date? You have been reinstated?
Not,
No,
not
your
yet.
lordship.
Hmm?
She was on, we have stated, your lordship, in our affidavit in opposition, which I stated in paragraph 4, which is on page 80.
Yes, what have you stated?
Your lordship, she was under suspension, that fourth line, your lordship.
So now she's reinstated?
No, your lordship. And
Still-
moreover, your lordship, I already, your lordship stated one paragraph in stated this paragraph 8, your lordship, which is on page 82, that she was not currently not an employee under the Directory of Secondary Education, Assam. And before that, your lordship, paragraph 7, your lordship, I would like to read it, your lordship. That is on page 82.
No, we'll not read everything like that. I just wanted to know what is the basic facts.
She was not currently, your lordship, doing your lordship because she was under suspension. Page 80 of paragraph 4 clearly states that. Page 80, paragraph 4 of my affidavit in opposition.
Madam, what is your grievance?
My grievance is only my grievance is only the subsistence allowance and other crucial aspect, that is pending litigation in the educational tribunal, your lordship. But subsequently they filed their additional affidavit with the enclosures. Those enclosures is already litigated, that I have stated in my petition. And based on that final order of this honorable court, which I have annexed at Annexure 8, page 43, your lordship. Kindly.
Your case is basically you are seeking for the subsistence allowance. So my question to you is that from which period?
From 22
11/23
23
up to which date?
till today, not has been initiated by the
You have not been reinstated.
reinstated, also not reviewing the order, also nothing, no disciplinary proceeding has been initiated till today. That is my grievance in this petition, but they have filed their additional affidavit in opposition, your lordship.
Additional one.
In affidavit in opposition, they have stated that those statements which they have, those records which it is reveals that those records which are annexed in the affidavit in opposition, I have already stated in my writ petition, your lordship. So those facts, it is already litigated. Your lordship can, your lordship will find it at page 43, Annexure 8. Nothing.
Is there a separate litigation?
Yes, your lordship.
What is that?
That is of, they came with an allegations in my earlier petition that some.
Where is the litigation pending?
In education tribunal, your lordship.
It's still pending.
Still pending. It was earlier, immediate after the order, your lordship.
What have you challenged there?
There I
What is the case?
is that I have manipulated all there is a doubt in my appointment. That is the, and for that, I have been,
Okay.
yes,
So
dropped
if,
my service.
so if there's a doubt in your appointment itself,
Your
where is the question of releasing your subsistence allowance?
Is my they release my, I approach as per the order of this honorable court, your lordship. As per the order of this honorable court, I have nothing confused. And suddenly they release my service. Your lordship, kindly come to page 50 as per the direction of this honorable court, your lordship. They have confused everything.
Your lordship, our paragraph 7 stated
They
that
have not,
your lordship,
excuse me, they have not ensured a fair and this consistent disciplinary action as per this rule 6 of disciplinary and appeal rules, your lordship, which I have specifically stated. It is at page 51, your lordship. Other crucial aspect, it was on process, your lordship. Just one after another, they have came with orders which are already litigated earlier. That I have specifically stated.
So pleadings are complete in this case.
Your lordship,
Pleadings are complete or not?
there,
Here,
they have this here.
in this case.
Yes, your lordship.
on the last date.
Can we,
your
can we
lordship-
hear it?
Yes, your lordship.
If parties have exchanged their pleadings, can we,
Yes.
can we hear it?
Yes, your lordship.
So we'll list it on a hearing date and hear the matter.
Lordship,
Yes.
the main fact is that your lordship, in our affidavit, we have stated that in the present writ petition, that is 2003/2024, has made no mention about the deprovincialization of her service.
Okay, you submit that in the hearing date. Today is what? Today is 21st.
Even they have enclosed the corrigendum, your lordship. That was also not notified. And that corrigendum was issued immediate after filing my writ petition. That is within my limitation. I would like to take your notice, your lordship notice. That is another aspect.
August also there's civil cases.
On the last occasion, your lordship, the necessary rectification in 14/5/2025, it was clearly stated to make that rectification. To the petitioner counsel.
We'll list it for admission hearing
Yes, your lordship.
on 19th of August, okay?
Yes.
Yes, your lordship.
Parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that pleadings are complete. In view of above, list the matter for admission hearing on 19th of August, 2025.
I'm deeply obliged.
Must oblige.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, as per office note dated 18/7, neither advocate nor answer notice has been received, lordship.
Which respondent? All the respondents?
All the respondents, lordship.
How many respondents are there?
Three, lordship.
What is to be done? Can you serve by way of Dasti?
Yes, lordship, I want to, sir.
Office note, please write down. Office note dated 18/7/2025 indicates that neither AD card nor unserved notice has returned back from the respondents.
All this notice.
I think we should wait for some time.
Yes.
Because it was sent only on 9/7.
9/7.
Stop. Since notice was sent only on 9/7/2025, let registry to list the matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it to await service report.
Lordship, kindly give a date.
They'll fix a date after 2 weeks.
30 and 31.
I am the lead petitioner, my lord. And in 30, I am the respondent number 6.
IA is filed by the respondent number 6.
No, IA is filed by, my lord, by the college authority, that is the,
IA is for what?
they have, college authority respondent number 4.
Seeking clarification, modification, permission. What does it mean?
My lord, kindly see the item 30, way number,
Who has filed is IA? 426.
respondent number 4 file.
Where is respondent number 4? Who is the counsel? 4.
Mr. Mahanta. 2740 in WPC, IA has been filed.
Who is for the applicant? Any counsel?
Oh, yes.
IA 426. You are for the writ petitioner.
I am for the writ petitioner in item number 31. And in this writ petition, I am the respondent number 6. Actually, my selection was challenged by the writ petitioner.
Who is for the writ petitioner?
And that
In
was
WPC 2740. 2740.
2740, I am the respondent number 6. Writ petitioner is absent.
So what do you say about this IA?
I am, my lord, there is no interim order also. There is only, in the, kindly see the order passed in 2740. Only order, writ petitioner had challenged my selection, and there was an observation that subject to my appointment shall not will be the subject to outcome of this writ petition, and no appointment was made. And on the basis of that observation, my lord, one impugned order has been passed by the respondent authority, official respondent, that I have challenged in the second writ petition, my lord.
So what to do with this IA then?
There is nothing,
There is nothing to clarify.
yes, nothing to clarify.
What kind of application is this? I don't know. Vacate, modify, alter, clarify, order dated, so and so.
If there is an interim order, then only, my lord,
Court just say that appointment is subject to the outcome.
outcome. And no appointment was made, then on the basis of this order, my lord, respondent authority passed one order that I have challenged in the second writ petition, my lord, 1266 of 2025.
So what to do?
So basically, my writ petition is to be adjudicated, my lord. Because my selection has been challenged,
Your writ petition is
1266.
pleadings are exchanged?
No,
No, Lord,
no reply has been filed.
instruction is to yet to receive, my lord. I need some time to file a petition.
And my appointment was not given, my lord. Approval was
So
not given
when
by
will you
the
get
judge.
instructions? How long will it
My lord,
keep it
kindly
pending?
give me 3 weeks time, my lord. In the meantime, I'll file.
How much time?
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks time. Please write, none appears for IA C number 426 of 2025 when the matter is called. Top, the application is filed for modification, alteration, public clarification of the order dated 19/5/2023 passed in WPC number
2740 of 2020.
2740 of 2023.
Lord, he is the writ petitioner. He is the writ.
IA, you have filed the IA?
No, no, he is the writ petitioner.
I'm the writ petitioner, my lord.
2740.
I'm still in the IA. IA is filed by whom? I should file the principal. Huh?
It is filed by the principal.
Principal, my lord.
Respondent is 4.
Principal, yes, ma'am. Now they are proposed to give the re-advertisement for the post. Stop. A perusal of the order dated 19/5/2023 goes to show that court had merely made an observation that the appointment of the respondent number 6 in the writ petition would be subject to the outcome of the writ petition. Stop. The same only being an observation, not an interim order. There appears to be no substance in the application. Accordingly, the application stands dismissed. Then in the writ petitions, you write both writ petitions separately, as paid for by the Lanet State Council, Mr.
Yes, sir.
S. Das. You're for which department? Sorry, you write like this, as paid for by Mr. S. Das, Standing Council, Higher Education Department, further
3 weeks time.
3 weeks' time is granted for filing counter affidavit. List again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the register.
In both the writ petition. In both.
My lord, if they re-advertise, I don't have any issue, my lord. For that.
Let's see.
Highly obliged, ma'am.
For admission, item 10.
Both the Your Lordship. Petitioner before your Lordship. Before your Lordship for appointment as a grade 4 employee in Jayakoga College, Golaghat district. But his name has been forwarded after selection process. And thereafter new advertisement published by the authority. That's why the petitioner appears before your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here in this matter, Lordship, I need some time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
How much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks time may be granted, Lordship.
Last occasion also.
2020 matter.
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
Last chance.
No, Lordship, because let me have the instruction, Lordship, because the matter was not listed, so the matter got missed, Lordship. Lordship, on the next date, Lordship, if I don't file, Lordship, then Lordship may consider.
You are for the
Higher education.
higher.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. Davies for respondent number 3 and 4. Private respondent. You are waiting for counter affidavit filed by the higher education.
No, Lordship.
Have you filed?
No, till today not. Last chance may be given.
Father, in this matter, all names have been wrongly shown here as secondary, as the secondary entity. Maybe stuck up because we have no play.
It should be what?
Higher education.
Matters pertain to higher education.
As paid for by the learned counsels appearing for the respondents, further 3 weeks' time is granted, with an understanding that counter affidavit will be filed by the next date. List again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Name of SC secondary. Secondary, isn't it?
Yes, Lord.
Education be struck off from the cost list. As,
Last chance may be given.
as the same is not necessary.
As a last chance may
Lordship,
given.
I'll file, Lordship.
Let us wait for one more time.
Highly obliged.
Item 12.
Lordship may kindly peruse the order dated 23/6/2025, Lordship.
Transfer.
Yes, Lordship.
Who's the parliamentary?
On the last occasion.
Elementary education. दादा आपने अपना attempt 12 elementary education.
Transfer. Transfer.
What is your case? You're requesting for transfer?
Yes, Lordship. I made an application.
Where is that?
Lordship, it's at page. Lordship, the application is not there, but I made a statement at paragraph 7, page 9, Lordship. It's an online application, Lordship. Starts at page 8, paragraph 7, that the petitioner begs to state that as his earlier application for transfer was kept pending indefinitely, he submitted fresh application for his transfer against the same vacant post of assistant teacher at Paschim Panduri ME School through online mode on 2/10/2022. Lordship, on 2/10/2022, that application was submitted, and at page 48, Lordship will find the last action taken on that application, Lordship, page 48.
Yes, what is there in 48?
Lordship, after that, they say that they are processing it, but then nothing has come up, Lordship.
No, 48, where is that processing?
That is dated 6/2/2023, Lordship. Application progress, Lordship will see that. This is the, this was the one which was, Lordship, taken from that website, Lordship.
So how do you read this? The next year 40, the next year 8, page 48.
Lordship, at page 49. Enrollment 52, teachers 4 numbers PTA 13:1. He applied for treatment of teachers or their dependents to look after elderly parents and spouse in different locations. He produced single sound certificate, hence it is forwarded to SLC for consideration as per PTA norms. Date is 6/2/2023. That was the status as on 6/2/2023.
Ms. Sutia, have you got the instruction?
This case, I have received instruction, my lord, the person concerned has to complete 10 years, my lord, for applying inter-district.
10 years?
10 years, my lord.
To apply for transfer?
My lord.
Under what
Inter-district
provision?
transfer, my lord.
Sorry?
Inter-district transfer, my lord. Section 7 of elementary and secondary school teacher regulation and posting.
Inter-district.
My lord.
Yes.
He has not completed 10 years.
My lord.
No, I have not, but there is an instruction, Lordship. This is from Mission Director Samagra Shiksha Assam, Lordship, and he heads the State Selection Committee. Now at paragraph 3 of this communication, it has been stated, Lordship. Further, it is to be clarified that 10 years of service in a particular district is not a mandatory requirement for seeking transfer. The Act provides that those who have completed 10 years will get preference only. A teacher who has not completed 10 years in a particular district but fulfill other grounds, that is treatment of teachers or their dependents, look after elderly parents for safety and security purpose, spouse in different location, change of residence due to marriage, or any other justifiable grounds, and PWD candidates who have completed 2 years of service can also apply for transfer and shall be taken for consideration. So my application was not rejected at that point of time seeking.
Where are you employed?
Lordship, I am presently,
Employed as what?
I am as an assistant teacher at South Salmara Girls Semi School, Lordship. And I am seeking transfer to posting.
Do you belong to that KAC NC Hills?
Oh, I don't.
This letter is written to the NC Hills by
Lordship,
the director, SSA. How does it cover your case?
Lordship, that is there. But then this mission director Samagra Shiksha Assam heads that state selection committee, Lordship. And my application was not rejected at that point of time, citing this reason, Lordship. My application was processed by the BLC and thereafter it was put it before the SLC, Lordship. Now they have not come up with anything, Lordship.
The application for transfer is taken up by the DLC and thereafter the SLC.
No, the district, yes, if there is a provision, Lordship.
Is that the provision? Is that how it's done?
It has to be put up before SLC.
By the DLC?
It's not DLC exactly, Lordship.
You
but
just said DLC, SLC.
There is a committee, Lordship. State level committee is there and district level committee is also there. It's there, Lordship. District level committee is there.
So what is to be done? You'll file an affidavit? Or
Fine, everything.
how much time should you require?
After 2 weeks.
Yes. Miss S. Sutia Lanet, Lanet Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, submits that she has received the instructions and she may be given 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Praise the Lord. List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, in that communication, Lordship just said that if I belong to KAC, then only I'll be covered, Lordship. But then Lordship, at serial number 2, it was addressed to the Deputy Commissioner, all districts except BTAD, Karbi Anglong Autonomous.
Petitioner is also given liberty to file an additional affidavit in support of his case, if so advised. You file an affidavit. Don't give me loose papers.
Sorry, Lord.
7. Sorry. Item 18.
May I please, Your Lordship? Now let's matter relates to my lord provincialization of service of the petitioner, my lord. My lord, take your lordship some document chronologically, my lord. Annexure 1, page 17 is the certificate. Petitioner is a graduate, my lord. Page 17.
Just a minute, who's for the other side?
Elementary education. They have filed earlier occasion when this matter came before a lordship, my lord. 23rd of May, my lord. Your lordship is supposed to dispose of these, my lord. They have took time, sir, my lord. Though pleadings are complete, a lordship order is also there. So, my lord, may I pray, my lord, this matter may be disposed of. Hence. We have filed affidavit, we have filed rejoinder. Your lordship order is also there. 23rd of May.
No, but I've forgotten. What is this case about?
My lord. My lord, Annexure 1, page 17 is the graduation certificate.
Briefly, what is this matter regarding?
My lord, page 18 is the DLED degree certificate.
No, forget about the page and all that. You tell me, just tell me briefly, what is the matter about?
The service of the petitioners was provincialized.
Then?
By page 32 Annexure 6. After provincialization, his salary was not released. Petitioner filed a writ petition
In the said writ petition, my lord, the respondent, my lord, file an affidavit annexing this impugned order, my lord, which is at page 37, annexure 10, stating that my provincialization was rejected only on the sole ground that the DSC, my lord, District Secretary Committee, did not recommend my names. Though in the soft copy it is there, but in the hard copy it is not there. Now, page 37, annexure 10 is the impugned order, my lord, that has been challenged,
So your provincialization has been withdrawn,
rejected,
rejected.
we reject.
So if it's rejected, are you going to get the salary?
That is why, because earlier my service was provincialization, after due verification and scrutiny, all this, my lord, my service was provincialized. Now, when I prayed for release of the salary, they come with this, my lord, plea that then my service was rejected because of the after due hearing, my lord. That is why I'd like to, my lord, chronologically, your lordship, page 32, my lord, just for a moment. This is the
You are challenging page 37,
37. Before,
annexure 10.
my lord, before that, 32, annexure 6, my lord. This is the provincialization order.
No, if you want to go for hearing, we'll list it on a hearing date, not today.
Lordship can dispose of 23 matters since 2021.
Maybe, not today.
Let it be, your lordship fix on the admission hearing, my lord. And then, any other day, my lord.
Readings are complete, isn't it?
No, my lord. The hearing day, my lord, for admission hearing for final disposal. My lord, our coordinate bench judgment is there, my lord. It's a mandate of the law, my lord. I am discharging a social studies subject. This is a core subject. That subject, my lord, provincialization has been rejected. Any date, my lord, your lordship convenient. Admission hearing or final disposal. Absolutely, my lord, there is no reason assigned.
Fifth of August. Say Tuesday.
My lord,
This-
for final disposal.
This
That
matter on 5th of August 2025 for admission hearing.
an attempt may be made to dispose of this. That observation. Endeavor shall be made to dispose of. My lord, I am suffering, man. My lord. My lord.
19.
Lordship, here in this matter, Lordship, I have received certain telephonic instruction, Lordship, that certain documents were called for the college authority, Lordship, which were not placed before the department, Lordship. So let it come in the next week, Lordship. I'll place the instructions, Lordship.
But here in this case, my lord, the petitioner is a heavy patient, my lord. Yes, the petitioner is a college, my lord, retired professor, associate professor of the college, my lord. After retirement, my lord, he applied for the, my lord, actually, during the time of my lord service, he was suffering from some tuberculosis as well as some other diseases, my lord. Now he is retired in 2022, my lord. Thereafter, when he asked for his, my lord, this leave encasement benefit, then the, my lord, the authorities has, my lord, calculated that I have exceeded, my lord, 163 days, some 163 days in my leave. Now they are, my lord, asking for return the amount. Instead of giving my lord, encasement benefit, now they are asking for return of the, my lord,
It's regarding recovery of leave,
yes,
leave
recovery
encashment.
of the amount, my lord.
Have you retired already?
Yes, I have retired. I retired in 2020.
How much is the amount?
Now they are claiming 4,93,922.
Okay. And you have a stay order in your favor?
Yes, but there is no stay order. There is no stay order.
There
There
is
is a order, there is a order. Initially.
There is an order.
There is an order, yes, much.
no steps
Yes.
to be taken for recovery
Yes,
of the
yes,
amount.
Yes, there is an order,
So this continues, I think.
yes. Only thing is that, my lord, due to, my lord, my some other benefits are also there. They are not releasing that amount also now. That is the problem.
Like what?
My lord, my increment benefits were there, some increment arrears were there, my lord. Near about 20-25 lakhs, madam. That has not been released by them. So that last occasion also, this honorable court, my lord, in a further order later, it was clarified that that may not be bar, my lord. But despite of that, they are, my lord, not releasing there.
Yes.
Lordship, let it come on the next week, Lordship. I'll file an affidavit, Lordship, because I'll receive some instruction during the course of the day, Lordship.
You'll file affidavit?
Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise also, my lord, recovery cannot be as per Rafiq Masi, my lord, when it is provided, given, it cannot be recovered.
Mr. J. Payang, learned counsel appears for the petitioner, and Mr. D. Upamanya, learned standing counsel, higher education appears for the department. So Mr. Upamanya submits that he has received the instructions and prays for a week's time to file the counter affidavit. In view of above, list the matter again.
Monday, man. Next
When?
Monday. 12.
12.
We'll not fix a date.
Yes, yes, Lord.
List the matter again on after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Highly obliged.
But you should file it, Mr.
Yes,
Upamanya.
yes, Lordship, I'll file it.
I hope you're not just taking time like that.
No, Lordship,
Because, my lord,
I have just
the-
received,
The
Lordship.
person is, my lord, suffering from serious illness, my lord. He's he's suffering from kidney problems, my lord. So he is asking for early.
Okay.
Highly obliged.
20,
Is this the case which was mentioned in the morning?
No, much.
Oh, counter affidavit.
But Roshni kindly turn to page 41, madam.
In this case, Lordship, may I pray for some time?
41.
41.
Yes.
Yes, I want some time, Lordship. Next week, Lordship. Let me say.
This is the case, madam, where the authority has granted the benefit, passed the order granting the third MSCPS to the petitioner. He has retired from service. Madam, the
Then?
pension has been calculated on the basis of the earlier pay, madam. Madam, this order, Lordship, find at page 41. This says allowed to draw the third financial upgradation under modified assured career progression scheme, MSCPS, by DEO Kamrup, order number so and so, dated 28/2/2022, with effect from 1/1/2022. He retired from service, madam, on 31/1/2022. And the madam, pension has been fixed. Roshni kindly turn to page 37. And madam, page 41, the initial pay was fixed at page 56,990. Last time, madam. And the pension has been fixed at page 37. Last pay drawn is 55,330. Only this much, madam, they have already passed the order granting the benefit that has not been implemented. That part they may implement, but must be direct the authority to implement that order, madam. See the last March, madam, they are dragging this matter. Admitted case, madam, they have not already passed the order granting the third MSCPS. Only pension is to be calculated, and area survey of the month of January 2022, some part, madam. Question of.
You want some time, huh, Ms. Burman?
Yes, Lordship.
You require some time.
Yes, Lordship, but
Why?
the service book is not, Lordship. Department, 1 week time may be granted, Lordship. For instance,
Third occasion, madam, third occasion, madam, they are taking time. When the order has already been passed by the authority, that is to be implemented.
You want time to file affidavit or what? Why do you want time?
Because today, let's say I am handicapped, let's say, sorry, the record, our file is not available, that's it, that's why.
appeared, my lord. He is here.
Who will appear? Jury will appear or Burman?
Lordship, here in this matter, on last date, I short time before your lordship, and that the file was not being able to be traced by the department, your lordship. So that is the issue. I further seek for 1 week time to get the present update, and if on the next date, if we cannot provide furnish, if we are not being able to obtain any instruction, then as further submission upon verification, let the matter be.
Okay.
Last opportunity.
Mr. I.H. Saikia, Learned Counsel appears for the petitioner. Stop Mr. B. Diori, Learned State Counsel. However, appears for the state respondents and submits that since the file has been misplaced, he may be given for the 1 week time to obtain instructions in the matter.
Yes.
In view of above. List this matter again after a week on a date to be fixed by the magistrate.
Fix a date, my lord. Otherwise, matters are not being.
They will fix a date. I'll direct it.
21.
This is the one.
Yes. The counter has come, my lord. But this is that suspension matter, my lord. Lordship will recollect. He was the principal in the engineering college, Assam Engineering College. Now, he was initially, there was a departmental proceedings. The list of date I have flagged also, my lord. It's in the file. Initially, my lord, there was a disciplinary proceedings initiated in 2023. Now, he was asked to go on leave during that time. Now, that order was challenged before the High Court, my lord. And now, my lord, that was set aside. Now, what happened, my lord? Parallelly, they initiated a second disciplinary proceedings, a second DP of allegations of 2017. My lord. Kindly appreciate, my lord. 2025, December 2024, they initiated a second DP after the first compulsory leave was rejected by the High Court. Then they initiated the second one. Now, in the second one, my lord, of the allegation of 2017. So I'm not here, my lord. My prayers are very limited here, my lord. I'm only saying that the suspension of an allegation of 2017 in 2025, and when he is not even in that department, because the allegations are of Director of Technical Education. He is from 2022, February.
Okay, see, anyway, counsel has said that there's some mistake in the affidavit. Means he wants to file a fresh one.
He may file an additional affidavit, but I think whatever has come in record, your lordship has told him, because it cannot be withdrawn, because what is happening, my lord, why I'm saying this, because suspension is October 2024, first suspension. Then review takes place in January, 27th of January 2025. Now, after that, there was no review. Now, we came before your lordship filing affidavits saying that they have not renewed the review within the period of 90 days. Now, what happens? They file this affidavit and they produce one document saying that in 22nd of April, in July, they are filing this saying 22nd of April, they have reviewed it. And they have never communicated this order to us. Only in 10th July, after the hearing in May, they have given us this copy. Now in July, saying that we have already extended the suspension. So therefore, my lord, this affidavit cannot be taken out, my lord. Let them file additional affidavit. There's no problem.
I'm sorry, my lord, that document will not change. What will change, my lord, I'll show.
Whatever changes, he cannot take out records, because I am objecting to that.
I have given one copy, my lord, of order, my lord. This is, my lord, in a similar situation, my lord. Unfortunately, this petition number 2547, 2019, my lord. There, in this case, my lord, the department has filed one affidavit on 5/1/2023. Thereafter, we got to know that there are some mistakes and some documents were not there. So we prayed, my lord, and on 11/4/2023, this honorable court has given us a liberty to file a fresh affidavit, my lord. And accordingly, on 15/5/2023, we filed.
No, that word fresh is missing. It's not there.
Missing, my lord, but giving a liberty my lord, on that affidavit, my lord, we have specifically mentioned that although we have filed one affidavit that there is some mistake, so.
You file an affidavit,
Yes,
we're not saying anything now. Your good name?
Yes, that's my lord.
Mr. S. Das, Learned Counsel, Learned,
As standing counsel, my lord, higher education.
Standing Counsel,
Higher education, my lord.
Higher Education.
One thing, may I just one. He's not getting his subsistence allowance till now. From October onwards, there's no payment to him. Because I have annexed that letter
October last year.
last year. There's no payment, not even a single penny. That my landed friend has not stated anything because this was raised last time also. So in the affidavit is silent about that, sir. I have annexed a letter where departmentally they are communicating with each other saying that you provide this document not to me, to their counterparts, but they are not releasing it. A direction at least that they should release the allowance, that is the problem.
Mr. S. Das, Learned Counsel for the Higher Education Department submits that although he has filed an affidavit of possession, but inadvertently there are certain mistakes, and for which reason he may be allowed to file a fresh affidavit of possession. So stop considering the above submission. Court is not inclined to make any observation at this stage leaves it open and instead leave it open to be considered at the appropriate stage. The petitioner may have the respondent Higher Education Department may however file an additional affidavit.
Not additional, not affidavit, my lord, because this will say, this.
We're not allowing you to change. File an additional affidavit, if so advised, showing the correct position.
Yes.
Next para. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the subsistence allowance has not been paid to the petitioner since October of 2024. The respondent Higher Education Department shall give the reasons as to why the subsistence allowance has not been paid to the petitioner petitioner by the next date. Let the matter be listed again.
Short date maybe because he's not getting anything.
I'll file within 2 days, my lord. Within 2 days, I'll file, my lord.
Within a week on a date to be fixed by the registry. You also get the information regarding the subsistence allowance.
Regarding substances.
Incorporate that also if you want to.
Regarding substances allowed, my lord, what I think on last occasion I have already submitted, my lord, that the department has asked him to give some documents, my lord.
I will give my friend all the documents also. I have given it to the department. To him also I'll give.
If he is given, my lord, I'll spoke to the operator.
A fixed date, if it's possible.
Registry will fix after a week.
23. This was 21. Item 23.
Well, the petitioner is a postgraduate teacher, my lord, and he has been working as a substitute teacher in, my lord, during the period Motiram Bora Balika Vidyapit.
There is no affidavit filed till now.
No affidavit
Yes, your
filed.
lordship, instruction received, your lordship.
How much time?
I'll be filing it, your lordship. Kindly 3 weeks' time may be granted.
Why 3 weeks? 2 weeks?
Already, your lordship, some.
You've already received. So you don't have to wait.
Yes, sir.
Ms. P. Das, Learned,
Going to retire in the month of October.
Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department, submits that she has received instructions and may be given 2 weeks' time to file her counter affidavit. Praise allowed. List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord, a date may be fixed, my lord, going to retire.
The petitioner, the respondent shall file their affidavit in the meantime. When is going to retire?
October, my lord, this October. So date may be.
He'll
fixed.
come up.
A
2
date-
weeks. Registry will give a date after 2 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.